Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI content creation like a professional. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So one of the hardest parts of content creation is coming up with fresh, relevant ideas. Fortunately, we have AI to help us brainstorm those ideas. Now, before we actually jump into those AI tools, it's best to research these keywords or anything for SEO using Answer the Public, BuzzSumo, SEMrush, Ahrefs, or even Ubersuggest. These platforms can help us analyze search trends, questions, and content gaps. Now, by providing insights into what people are searching for, these tools can help us come up with relevant content ideas that our audience is likely to engage with. So just to showcase one of these platforms, here we have BuzzSumo. So this platform enables us to gather some content ideas. We can look at trending feeds. We can look at the keyword tool and a question analyzer. So just to showcase how this works, you'd enter in a topic just below, and then you can put in the filter for how long you want to, or how many sort of social media posts you want to see, whether it's going to be trending now, within the past quarter, past year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. So we've entered in our keyword here, which is going to be digital marketing, and we're going to go ahead and hit search. So now that we've got what we needed from this, if we scroll down, we'll be able to see ideas from our topic or keyword. So you can see this is the content from Evergreen. This is what we're seeing. We've got some ideas from popular keywords as well. Of course, we're located in the States at the minute. I can change that to, let's just say, see if I can find it. So English United Kingdom. And we're able to see the search volume for this specific keyword. Then on the bottom here, we've got the most relevant how questions, most relevant why questions, and what questions. So these are the related topics that's a part of the digital marketing keyword that we have. So again, it just gives us a bit more of an idea. And I can explore the top ranking content for digital marketing in Google. So it's currently telling me that MailChimp is at position 2. Position 3 is, of course, Wikipedia. And the next one there is position 4. So ama.org or ama.org. And then again, of course, I could view the other ones that are in different positions as well. So it really just gives me a full detail of what I could use this specific keyword for. And that's what's going to help me generate some content idea. So here's another tool that I would recommend, which is Answer the Public. Now, this one is a little bit more different to the BuzzSumo. Now, the difference is you have access to Google, Bing, YouTube, TikTok, Amazon, and Instagram. So that gives you an idea then on what sort of content you need to create for YouTube, TikTok, as well as Instagram. So let's just say we go on YouTube here. And then if I go ahead and search up for something. So I've went ahead and searched up for digital marketing. And it's given me a 40,500 search volume. So that's how many people are searching it here in the UK. Now it is letting me know as well that there are 71 questions, 70 prepositions, 46 comparisons, 371 alphabeticals, 108 numbers, and 2,255 for related keywords. So again, if we scroll down here, we'll be able to see exactly what's going on. Now, it does tell us this, that there's low, which is easy to use, medium, which we need to have somewhat good content when we are using that specific keyword, and there is good as well. Now, if we go over this, you could see which ones are red, so these are going to be harder to use, just because a lot of people are searching up for it. But then if you go onto the lighter colored ones, you'll be able to see that it will be a little bit easier to use. So that's what's happening at the minute. There's 71 questions here. Now, if I scroll down, we could check the prepositions. Lets us know what's going on for this one. And then you've got your comparisons, again, same thing. And this is all just for YouTube at the minute, what people are searching up for YouTube. Then, of course, there's alphabeticals for digital marketing on the other keywords that I can use. Mind you, this is just the free version of Answer the Public as well. So it is still fairly good for what it is. And then, of course, just below we have 108 numbers for digital marketing. So these are numbers that are mentioned on the actual title itself. Then, of course, there's 2,255 related keywords to digital marketing itself. So, got a lot of content to use here then from Answer the Public and BuzzSumo. So then what we could do with these specific keywords is then use AI in order to create that content or the ideas for us. So now that we have an idea of the keywords that we're going to be using for our content, then we can hop onto an AI tool such as ChatGPT. There's Claude, Copilot, Gemini, and Perplexity. So several different tools out there that can assist with content creation. Now, what we'll do now is we'll ask ChatGPT here for an idea. So firstly, what we'll do is, this will help you, by the way, if you have a website and social media platforms to speed up the process. I can just insert the links onto the prompt itself and then just ask it to research a little bit about us. So I'll go ahead and put in the links onto this prompt area. Okay, so I've entered in my prompt. I've added my three links, sorry. So I've got my website link and my Instagram and Facebook social media. Now, what I'm going to do here is I've asked it, can you please create some content ideas for my business? Now, the good thing about ChatGPT is it does have the search function, so that'll just fully research exactly what we do. So I'll just turn on the search function and then I'll hit enter. So I'll wait for the results of what it gives us. Okay, so it's went ahead and given us some content here. So here we have, well, basically an idea of what we do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to disable the search function, and what I'm going to ask it now is, can you please give me 7 days worth of social media content? So this will just generate this now. Just retry this. So there it is. It's now going ahead and giving us a bit of an idea. So I was meant to turn off the search function there, so I'm going to try it again. Can you please, all right, so using the information you've provided. So please adjust and create captions for each of these posts. So I'm just basically asking it like what type of equipment I need. Will it be easy? I don't have too much time on my hands. Want to schedule these posts ahead of time. Perfect. So if we just ask ChatGPT or again any of these AI tools the right questions, then it should provide us a answer that we need. So again, this one's an educational blog post and it's telling us that we should upload that for Monday. So it's given us a caption here. Then it's given us some creation tips. So use Canva or an existing brand template to create a simple graphic. So why technical SEO matters. And again, include 2 to 3 bullet points from the blog. Now, ChatGPT has advanced with its image generation as well. So if you do want to ask it, can you please provide an image for this caption? So let me just do the industry news. So once this image is fully loaded, I'll just show you the final product. So you can see what it's created here for us, which is just our image. Now, the imaging is a lot better than it used to be previously. The only thing here that we need to change is the emphasize. Of course, there's going to be some words there that's Americanized English and UK English, but of course, if you're from that location, it's perfectly fine. So I'm happy enough with what it's given us here. I can go ahead and create a social media post using this image and a caption as well. Now, when you're creating other content as well, you can do it through ChatGPT or any of those other AI tools, but make sure that you're also using tools like Grammarly, ProWriting, Hemingway Editor. They all use AI to detect grammar and spelling errors, so they'll also suggest some improvements in sentence structure and ensure your content is clear and concise. Now, these tools can also help with SEO, ensuring your content includes relevant keywords and follows best practices for search engine optimization. So let me just show you another way that you can use AI tools in order to create some content. So now that we've seen how it could fare with image generation, and we also know how it looks for social media content, I'll show you how you could use it for website content as well as your blogs. So let's just give it a little bit of a topic here. Let's just say I need a topic based on SEO and strategy. I'll just ask it to research this first. So then I'll just enable the search function and I'll hit enter and I'll just wait for it to go through. Okay, perfect. So what I'll do now is, can you please create a blog using this information we've given? And of course, just depending on location, make sure it's in UK English. Okay, so I'll just wait for this to create the blog content. So as you can see here, it's went ahead and created the content for us. Now, what it's missing, of course, is images. So with ChatGPT, again, you could just use it for creating your images. And if you have some internal links that you know of on your website, make sure to include them on this and ask it to add it to the blog for certain keywords. So that's how you would use AI in order to create content for your website. And there you have it, guys. That is how to use AI content like a professional. So if you guys have any questions at all, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.